Hello everyone, I am going to present a project plan for designing a database of pumpkin manufacturing enterprises. This is in partial fulfillment of the requirement in advanced organizational database. In this presentation, we'll be discussing the following agenda. First, the approach and methodology. Second, the project timeline. Next, the success criteria, the risk management plan, the option analysis, the technical features, and the project organization and staffing. With regards to approach and methodology, a prototype model was used to redesign the database of pumpkin manufacturing enterprises. The team applied the following methodologies. First, we analyzed the existing system. Second, the use of the existing form, reports, and records. We also reused the relevant programs and sub-programs. And we developed a new program according to user requirement. Here is our project timeline. It summarizes the task required to complete the project. And it is an important component of time management planning and useful project management tool for keeping your client informed in your project on the target. So we have here stated the task, the start date, the finish date, and the duration. In the success criteria, you can see on the next slide, the following key performance indicators are identified by the team during the initiation phase. We conducted proper planning. Our goal here is the team must achieve at least its goals and objectives, will define the scope and out of scope based on the project timeline before the end of October 2015. In our success criteria, our project charter should be reviewed, revised, and approved by the advisor, and internal and external stakeholders were identified. Also, business goals and objectives were defined clearly. We identify business processes. In our goal, we should finalize the business process for every table. In our success criteria, business processes for human resource management were identified. Business processes are realistic and credible. And it should meet business requirements. Our goal is we should be able to design and develop the database completely before the second week of October 2015. In our success criteria, we have stated the following. All or majority of the database reports are generated and queries are working. We should be able to have at least more than 100 records, and the database engines are connected and displaying the accurate results. Here is our risk management plan. We develop a risk management plan because we would like to document the project's approach to risk management. In here, we have to identify, we have to assess and control the project risk to determine their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. In this portion, in the activity portion, we have here identifying risk, the plan risk response, monitor and control risk. And of course, the responsible persons are the project team member and the project leader. So here is our risk management plan. With regards to our risk breakdown structure, we have divided it into three. The first one is the technical part. In the technical aspect, we have considered the compatibility of the databases and the data integrity, of course, the data security. When it comes to time, we have considered unexpected events that may happen during the creation of the project. and also the time constraints, because everyone goes busy and should have the time dedicated to the creation of the project, and also the team schedule. The man pertains to the cooperation of each one, the skills, and each priorities. So here is our risk breakdown structure. In the option analysis, we have considered the following. First, the database framework. The team has decided to use the MySQL database engine because it is free and licensed. With regards to the ease of use, we considered it because the duration given for the project is, or for the initiation of the project and implementation together with closing, is approximately 4 weeks. So since majority of the member of the team or the team member are acquainted with MySQL server, then we chooses this database over other options due to its ease of use and simplicity. With regards to the technical feature of this project, it's the training that is included in here, wherein you can have the record of the company about sponsored training classes, the activities or talent inventory of employees' education, experiences, and trainings. And also, it can display the inventory of employees' training certificates and other related documents, and track the time spent by employees on their training. Another technical feature is the personal information management. The system will have a file management where it covers the following submodules for the records of the employee. First, the personal details, then the contact details, the emergency contacts, the dependents, job, salary, report to, and qualifications. Well, this is our project organization and staffing. We have here our project manager. We designated John Edgar Anthony as the project manager. He oversees the status and progress of the project from initiation to project closure. He also communicated the goals and objectives of the project to the team, and also designated the tasks to the members and communicate the progress of the project to the advisor. With regards to the project team members, here are the following: Jeneline Stefa, Precious Ann Masangkay, Maxime Miembro, and Davidson Valera. They all participated in all project activities from planning, requirement gatherings, implementation, testing, and documentation. We coordinated with each other to assure that the project is delivered on time, meeting the requirements specified. And our advisor, Professor Rosicar Escobar, guided the project team throughout the project phase and provide also the feedback and suggestions for the improvement of the project. And we have also the RASI chart. In the RASI chart, the activities are the following. We have identified the database framework to be used. We gather 100 records for each transaction table. We have created and maintained process documents to ensure that the goals of the project are met. We have also documented the conceptual database schema, identified the business rules. We have prepared the data dictionary. We have created the queries for the table creation. We have populated the database, connected the different database engines, and produced the required reports and queries. And also, we have conducted tests specified and write the EIS documentation. And the following legend are as follows. For JA, that's John Edgar Anthony. For JH, that's Jeneline Stefa. For PM, that's Precious Ann Masangkay, and MM, Maximum Miembro. And for DV, that's Davidson Valera. Well, that's all about our project plan. Thank you so much for watching. This is Maxima Miembro, MSIT PUPOU.